Um, okay, so the trade I took yesterday was, I think over here. Yeah, okay. So over here, I still haven't marked down this. They had a little gap, one of those like short time frame candle gaps that, oh, like you know how like the market's coded to get filled in. Basically, came down here. I'm not sure if I was just like fuck it and gambled it. Pretty sure there was like an inverse fair value gap or something. But yeah, I targeted this and that hit for a 1 to 1.2. And then later that day on NASDAQ, we over here, I took a bad trade. It was yeah, so 10 a.m. open like over here, and I'm like, okay, consolidation, manipulation. Let me enter off once we close up there. Really bad trade, just nothing, no movement or anything really happened with that one. Then later at the 2 p.m. candle, I saw this manipulation down. Then we saw that we closed above the candle open, inversing a fair value gap. Everything looked good. I entered, right? Then, bro, for 2 hours pretty much, just nothing but like the slowest downtrend of all time. And then we got like right as I checked, I saw this big green candle in the 5 minute. I'm like, bro, I'm out. Bro, right as I do that, it just rips up to TP. Oh, we got like 2.8. Crazy unlucky, and it just kept going up. This is what it is. It's paper trading, so you know I'm learning. And today price action has been pretty bad. The only reason I entered, like NASDAQ was down, but ES was really staying the same. So I wasn't too worried about a manipulation, but like when we opened, we came down here. So I'm like, okay, I think the consolidation is enough for like that huge range to be considered manipulation. And then I entered off this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. And from there, I'm just targeting this high. Obviously, if I was on a real account, I would have targeted like 1 to 1, move stop loss to break even, and maybe target like equilibrium as well. I wouldn't just have one final TP at freaking. It was like a crazy one, but I lowered the stop loss because I messed it up. Still getting used to placing orders and stuff. But obviously I'd be playing it a little more safe. Especially once I start getting a funded account, I need to make sure I'm playing that safe. What else? Oh yeah, but basically the strategy I've been trading is PO3, which hold up. Let's do red. Sorry, green. So basically, you want a 4-hour candle to open. Alright, so you want a 4-hour candle to open, and basically, based on your bias and everything, what you want to see is some consolidation, right? And then you want to see manipulation, which is basically like the candle here would look like this, right? And then you want to see it form a wick, right? And then from there, you'll like enter off like an inverse fair value gap or something, and then you want to see the actual move. So the candle will actually end up looking like a big, nice candle. But that's pretty much it. I'm testing it out. It's honestly like too simple for my liking. It makes me feel stupid. Like I like the TJR strat because it's like, okay, Gotta figure this out. This makes sense. This one, it's been working, but I don't like it because it feels too easy and there's no way it can work in the long term, but it has been, which is weird, but whatever, bro. Yeah, in the videos I've been watching, just some quick sauce, he said, this has a 100% win rate right here. He's never seen this lose. Let's say this is Asia session, right? And this is London. So Asia, London, and then New York. So if you see price, right, like consolidating pretty much all throughout Asia, and then during London, it's consolidating like within the range of Asia's consolidation, and then during New York, you see like the manipulation taking out whatever like low of London or high, doesn't matter, it could be the high, and then from there you see that would be the manipulation. Here, let me just make everything look nice. That would be the manipulation, and then you would enter off like an inverse fair value gap, change in order flow, break of structure. Although, where is it? There it is. Then you'd see like the big move, depending on if you're bullish or bearish. So that is a really good setup to look for. But your average PO3, honestly, it's been doing pretty good for me. Today's entry, I didn't like too much just because there was really no real manipulation. We just had that huge ass candle, which was just dumb luck. So I don't feel too good about it. Kind of wish I didn't even take the trade and stuck to my rules better, because I need to stick to my rules better if I'm gonna get it funded soon, you know. And yeah, I want to feel confident. I want to like know exactly why I entered, why it went good or bad, why everything's happening, rather than like just getting a lucky big green candle. I mean, sure, it's nice, but since I'm on paper, I really want everything to just be perfect, you know. So that was yesterday. I didn't record yesterday, and then this is today's. I guess I'll pause it. I'll update it when we get TP or stop loss hit. I don't know if I showed it, but my take profit got hit. I have this huge candle here. Huge right here. Like we were down here, and then all of a sudden, came down and then hit it for $4,800. Still going up. Waiting for the 2 p.m. candle right now. Yeah. I'll update y'all. Actually, yeah, I was gonna upload this, but I'm gonna wait till the 2 p.m. candle, see if I take a trade off of that, and then I'll finish the video up. Okay, so we have crazy SMTs right now. Hold up, pulling up the cam girl. Let me flip her. Hi. Shit. Anyways, so what do we have? We got. My bad. Alright, so on NASDAQ, we got this high, then this high, then this high. Just boom, 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 down, down, down. Then on ES, we got this high, barely lower, but then, look, boom, straight up. So, I'm looking to go long on NASDAQ right now, not even a lot, it might. Yeah, going long on NASDAQ looks like a move and a half, bro. So, yeah, right now, low-key waiting for a retracement into a fair value gap. Right, so we have this one, which we'll go like this. We'll go purple, and That purple. Alright, so we have that fair value gap on the 1 minute, and then we scale up to the 5 minute. And then we see it's actually down here. So then we'll go to the 15 minute. And then, oh wait, these candles aren't formed, bro. I'm being a fucking idiot. We live, we laugh, we laugh. Alright, anyways, just off the 1 minute though, we're getting a reaction. So then we can scale to the 5 minute. Wait for that to close. See if it gives us a fair value gap, and we'll go from there. Yo, so I'm sitting here watching some anime low-key, bro. Hella fucking bored type shit. So yeah, we're freaking on NASDAQ. We're looking good. ES is the leading one, so I'm looking for longs on NASDAQ. We're getting a 5-minute retrace right now. Hopefully we close down here. Get a reaction off this fair value gap or something, along with this maybe like order block or breaker block, whatever you want to call it. Let's pop out a Fibby. Fucking see if we can get an equilibrium. Tie shitty. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. Oh, Spike and Sophie here, bro. My dog got this dope ass fucking chain I gave her, bro. Check this shit out. Oh shit, Sophie. Damn, she blind, but she's shining, baby. He got a chain too, but he's lucky a bag, so I took it from him. I'm allowed to say it, YouTube. I heard YouTube's strict on that stuff. I'm not sure though. Anyways. Yeah, she looks fresh. Waiting on this candle right here. Alright, cool. So we closed in there on the 1 minute. Created that inverse fair value gap. So if we can like inverse that fair value gap, low-key might be an entry type shit. Oh, I swear, motherfuckers be doing the trend line perfectly straight so easily. You know what, bro? What fucking ever. I like horizontal rays, okay? Not everyone's gotta use a trend line. Oh yeah, so we're seeing that. We didn't dip down to equilibrium, which could be a red flag. But I mean, I guess if you use like this low, most recent low we did. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one because it works in my favor type shit. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. If this candle closes, we're in. Fuck, let me figure out what I'm gonna target. So obviously I'm only gonna target one thing, probably like this high up here possibly, but you know, if I was actually trading, obviously I would target like 1-to-1, equilibrium, multiple, you know, playing it safe, whatever. That's like a really low target though. But, you know, it is what it is. That's what we'll target. See what ES is up to. Same shit, just a little more bullish on ES, so yeah. You know what, that target's fine. We live, we laugh, we yeah, so we're seeing if we respect this disrespect this bearish fair value gap, inversing it would be wonderful. Let's see what we got on the 5 minute right now. Bro, this day, okay, so yeah, on a 5 minute we tap down in here and we're getting a juicy reaction, which that holds more power, so that's really nice. But yeah, low-key, just want to inverse that. Fucking today, bro, feels like it should be 8 p.m. It's only 2:30. Should go by hella fucking slow, bro. Hella fucking slow. I think because my thumbnails, bro, they take me like an hour. I mean, they're fun to draw, but like that takes a while. Time doesn't go by fast on that. And then when I'm in a trade, time does not go by fast when I'm just like staring at candles constantly. There's that. Cooking food, that's pretty boring for me. I gotta do that. Yeah, bro, I'm low-key yapping. Damn, are we gonna flip order flow right now in the 1 minute? Jeez, bro. Maybe we could get a reaction from the one down there. Or we could toss on the Fibby on the real low and get it equilibrium. Yeah. Anyways, I'll update you in like 5 minutes. So we inversed that gap, but I don't know, man. I'm not too sure. But it's paper trading, you know. We'll see, man. We're gonna go a risk-a-rooney, risk 1% of the accounto, take profit at 22,318.25. Stop loss at below here. 252.50. Okay, there we go. Should be good. Yeah, terrible buy-in. You know, I'm still getting used to it and everything. So we got like a 1 to 1 point, like, yeah, not even 1. But I mean, stop loss probably would have been fine below like the inverse fair value gap from this point on, which that'll give me a 2.4, but it is what it is. If I got a better, wait, okay, if I got like a good fill, it would have been right as we inverse this gap on this candle. Would have been a 1.5. Not bad. But instead we're getting a 1.04. It's paper trading, so I'm not too worried about it. If somehow this video gets views and y'all got any tips, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Girl, you love the way I love it, and I'm rocking your body. Girl, you love the way I know how to rock on your body. Don't you say yes? Doesn't inverse that gap, which is kind of scary. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna wait on that. That is kind of scary. Anyways, I'll update y'all later. Alright guys, so as I thought, I was stopped out. Makes sense. I really wasn't going off of much. I didn't have any manipulation for the PO3. There was no liquidity sweep. There was no like real reason for price to like continue up. ES created new all-time highs, so I mean that was a pretty good. Once I saw that, I really figured, all right, we're gonna come back down. And then Nasdaq's really lacking compared to it, as the 4-hour candle's red and ES is green. But yeah, so yeah, it is what it is. Wasn't really expecting much. So the $97,000 paper account is at 105.37 in 2 days. Still hit that 4.8K trade this morning. Super nice, super clean. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video there. Yeah, considering how fucking shit the dollar is doing right now. What the fuck? I would really assume that ES is gonna start coming down too. I mean, Nasdaq are going up because the dollar's just Anyways, yeah, I had to go to the store to get my girlfriend lipstick or whatever, but Check out the thumbnail. This one, I really tried on the wizard. I gave him like shading and details and everything. I think it came out pretty good.